Either way, it don't matter if we don't make it. Fuck. Damn reefer still.
Wow. This shit just happened.
Oh!
You know, it's always people. I know, it's another guy on the ground over there.
He's dead, son. Look, he's moving. He's dead, nigga. The guy in the red shirt ain't moving. His hands and his arms was like that. And because of you having to stop and shit, we missed that shit happen.
Hey.
And we could have seen that shit happen right in front of our eyes.
Why would you want to see this shit? Look at these people.
Yeah, you didn't want to see accident.
No, you don't. Look at these people on the ground.
That dude in the red looks like he's dead. And that other dude that's getting CPR, he's not even dead. Dude is essentially what he was saying. So, saying there will not be a
shoes on the ground.
He's dead. That dude is dead. I think where they're going right now. They're trying to get all the orders on the same page. You know, there was a bit of a civil war. Whatever happened, their car ended up down in the fucking ditch. Ended up in the ditch. That's some people running out here.